Hey guys, this is your TechMan. Let's learn how to create this raindropping animation using HTML CSS. Let's go. Open your favorite code editor, anyone. So we'll start by writing and then HTML. After that, head. After that, we'll write the body tag, and then inside body tag we'll write a div with class name rain. Inside the div we'll write its raining code with an exclamation mark. Now we'll go to the style. We will write style tag here. Then we'll call the class rain. So after calling the class, we'll set the position, relative, set the font size 40 px, font weight bold, color. This color could be 00F, and text align would be center. After that, margin top would be 100 px. Then we'll create an after effect, rain after content. Then we'll press Windows plus dot key to access emojis. So we'll see we'll search for drop, and then position absolute left 0. Width would be 100%. After that, animation 1 second. So now we'll create the animation. Three, 0%. Translate y0, opacity 1, 100%. px, opacity 0. Now we'll save this file as index.html, and then we will double click the file. We'll see that this animation is working. So that's all. Please feel free to subscribe and follow for more videos like this.